just to show you an example of how fast my guys are at building these Gator Pit trailers, or cookers in general. This trailer only started about an hour, maybe 2 hours ago tops. That's it, from raw steel. Already hanging axles. It'll be done here before lunch. This pit started yesterday. Yes, I said yesterday. 24 by 72, two-door, counterweighted with a square quarter-inch firebox, 24 by 24. And yes, it started yesterday. Guys, that is insane. And how good my guys are. These guys are. This pit, this is a Falcon two-door version, will be mounted on that trailer here after lunch today. So in 2 days, the pit, custom pit, this isn't a small pit, with custom features on a custom made trailer from scratch by Gator Pit, will be done in 2 days and move to paint. That is just, man, guys, those of y'all in the fabrication industry, especially those that build barbecue pits in general, know that that is just insane. Very good guys. Proud of my guys. They've been with me forever, and they're excellent at what they do.